Good morning, students of Yellow Medicine East Middle and High School. This is Mr. Luft with your final announcement for this 2019-2020 school year. Today I'm going to share some very important information with you as we begin to conclude the school year, but also as we finish up the fourth quarter and make sure that we end on a high note here at the Hive. Today I'm going to talk to you about our student checkout process for all students in grades 6 through 11. Yes, as we know, many have already heard that potentially this Friday, May 22nd, could be the last day of the school year for those of you in good standing. So what I'm going to accomplish today by sending out this video to you, I am going to talk to you about the classroom inventory of checked out equipment from the Hive that your advisors will be emailing to you soon. Qualifications you need to meet to end distance learning for you. Student checkout procedure and the form that you must complete, and also how we are going to drop everything off here at the Hive. So you're looking here on Wednesday, your advisors will be emailing you out a materials list of everything that has been checked out by a teacher to you in the classroom for the 2019-2020 school year. Potentially the message might read, hey students, below are the items that you have checked out. As you can see here, your name will be there where your name here, your advisor's name, but also on there you will see a list of inventory items, including your Chromebook, your charger, and carrying case. This is a list of materials that our teachers here at the Hive have assigned to you that must be returned prior to the conclusion of the school year. How do I get everything done, Mr. Luft? Well, let me share that information with you. How can I be done with this distance learning thing? Well, on Friday, May 22nd, you, your parents, and your advisor will sit down and look over these items listed here. First thing they will cover is to make sure you have all of your inventory materials needed to be returned. Secondly, they are going to look at your grades, your MI report, and also your progress report. If you, your parent, and your advisor deem that you are in good standing, which means you have passing grades in all your classes and you have 3 or less total missing assignments. That does not mean you can have 3 per period. We're not giving you 21 free missing assignments. 3 total, and then you can be done. You, your parent, and your advisor will sign off on the year. If you do not meet these requirements, we will continue with personalized support from your teachers in the areas that you are struggling with on after Memorial Day, May 26th through May 29th, to make sure you get caught up. That means you have 4 or more missing assignments and or you are currently failing a class or more. But Mr. Luft, a quick question. What if I want to improve my grade? Well, we got a deal for you. Students who want to improve their grades will email out to their teachers and come up with an action plan of how they can improve their grade in this class. So, coming out to you on before Friday, May 22nd, this form will be emailed out to you from me. That's in a capital M-E for me, which stands for Mr. Luft. You will get it from the office. In here, you will see something titled in a Google Classroom for you to join grade. Let's just say you're in grade 6. You will see grade 6, the Hive end of the year checkout. Every A-V-E-R-Y, every student must fill this out. Okay? In there, you are going to put your subjects by period, who your teacher is, and what is in the bag that you will be returning on the drop-off. Bag, Mr. Luft, please tell us more. Yes, you will put all of your textbooks and any other materials, Chromebook, charger, case, into a bag to be returned here to the Hive for inventory. What about more about those Chromebooks? Okay, in here you will see on the bottom of the form you are to put your Chromebook number, which is located on the Chromebook, your carrying case and charging cord all together. Make sure your Chromebook and your charging cord are in the case. Make sure everything is zipped. Make sure your case is identifiable about who it belongs to. More information will be coming on the next slide about the fines. All fines will be issued on May 8th. So we encourage you to make sure all materials that are emailed out are returned. If you have an extra textbook, if you have anything else that you have borrowed from a teacher, please make sure those are back at this time. Like I said, the materials not returned according to your teacher's records, the students will be issued a fine due to lost materials. The fine sheets will be mailed out at the end of the year with your report card. Please, P-L-E-A-S-C, please make sure your materials are all returned. How do I return my stuff, Mr. Luft, to the Hive? Well, we have that planned out too. Students in grades 6 through 11 will return their materials on the following dates. Okay, on May 26th, students in grades 6 through 8 from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. will return their stuff here to the main doors of Epsilon Gymnasium. Students in grades 9 through 11 will do it on May 27th, Wednesday, from 3 to 6. If you have multiple students in the middle school and high school, we are asking you to please split up the drop-off times just to make sure we have everything in the proper place when we are inventorying. Where again, Mr. Luft? I forgot already. The main doors of Epsilon Gymnasium. All items must be securely placed in a new trash bag to return. So what do you mean in a trash bag? That's not very organized. We know, but due to safety, we would like it in a trash bag if you have a tie end, as shown here, to please tie everything into it. Place all of your items in the bag that need to be returned, whether it's a calculator, whether it's a book, whether it's a reading book, and also your Chromebook, your charger, and your case will all go into this. As you can see here, we have a map. You will be doing a quick little tour off of 7th Ave through the front of BRE and coming there in the Star where you will see your smiling staff ready to greet you and to grab your possessions as we begin to conclude this school year. Once again, this is Mr. Luft, your principal here at the Yellow Medicine East Middle and High School. We miss you. Be safe. If you have any questions, please contact us here at the office. Thank you and have a great evening.